Let's be real, the car market is a damn joke right now. Every corner you turn, it's some overpriced electric crossover that looks like a space egg, or a soul-crushingly boring SUV with a monthly payment that costs more than your rent. It feels like if you want a car that's actually fun and won't bankrupt you, you're screwed, right? Dead wrong. While everyone else is busy getting fleeced for the same 5 hyped-up models, there are some absolute killers hiding in plain sight. These are the forgotten legends, the unsung heroes, the pure gold that the rest of the world is sleeping on. Today we're digging up 3 criminally underrated cars, from a forgotten Japanese sports coupe to a brand new SUV that's an actual bargain. Let's get to it. First up, a ghost from the early 2000s that's more thrilling to drive than almost any new car under $30,000. It's the 7th generation Toyota Celica, specifically the models churned out from 2000 to 2005. Production stopped 2 decades ago, so you won't see any ads for it, and frankly, most people have forgotten it even exists. And that's a beautiful mistake. The one you want is the GTS trim. This badass little coupe is packing the legendary 2ZZGE engine, a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder masterpiece co-developed with Yamaha. It screams all the way to a screaming high red line and puts out a legit 180 horsepower. It's got this aggressive, sharp design that still snaps necks, and because it's a goddamn Toyota, it's about as fragile as a cast iron skillet. These things are notorious for blowing past 200,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes and wishful thinking. But don't get it twisted, this ain't just some reliable econo box. This is a genuine sports car experience. The handling is razor sharp, but the real magic happens when you push that engine past 6,000 RPM. The VVT-Li system kicks in, and the car wakes the hell up with a personality that modern muted turbo engines can only dream of. And the best part? Because they're so overlooked, you can snag a clean, well-kept example for anywhere between $4,000 and $10,000. It's a front-wheel drive rocket that gives you a thrilling ride, over 30 miles per gallon on the highway, and Toyota's bulletproof reputation for the price of a down payment on some beige crossover. All right, next up, for those who demand rock-solid reliability but would rather set their money on fire than drive a soulless 4-door appliance, I give you the Honda Accord. But hold on, not your grandma's churchmobile. I'm talking about the 2007 to 2015 models, and specifically the forgotten V6 coupe. Everyone knows the Accord sedan. It's the official car of I've given up. And that's exactly why the coupe is such a brilliant blind spot. People see one with high mileage and run for the hills. But for these V6 Accords, hitting 200,000 miles is just breaking a sweat. Owners regularly report these things running strong well past 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance. The secret sauce is that buttery smooth 3.5-liter V6, which pushes out a very respectable 271 to 278 horsepower depending on the model year. In a lighter 2-door body, this thing is a bona fide sleeper. It's deceptively quick, it sounds fantastic, and if you find one with the 6-speed manual, you've basically hit the jackpot for one of the most engaging and dependable daily drivers ever made. The handling is crisp, the ride is perfect for long hauls, and it's the perfect blend of performance and practicality the market has totally ignored. You can find these everywhere for under $10,000, with perfectly good examples going for $6,000 to $9,000. It's pure uncut gold for anyone who wants a car that won't put them to sleep on the way to work. If you're digging these hidden gems and want to find more ways to outsmart the car market, do me a solid and smash that like and subscribe button. We've got plenty more where these came from. Now for our last pick, we're looking at something fresh off the showroom floor. Okay, so you want a new car. You want that new car smell, a warranty, and zero drama. But you're not trying to take out a second mortgage to get it. What if I told you there's a brand new SUV that starts at around 20 grand and it doesn't suck? Say hello to the 2026 Hyundai Venue. In a world where crossovers just keep getting bigger and more expensive, the Venue is a breath of fresh air. It's a subcompact SUV that gets ignored because most buyers walk right past it to get to its bigger, flashier siblings. Everyone loves to crap on its modest 121 horsepower engine, but that's missing the entire point. The Venue's genius is its unbelievable value. For a starting price in the low 20,000s, you get a brand spanking new ride with modern essentials like lane keeping assist, a decent infotainment screen, and killer fuel economy hovering around 31 miles per gallon combined. But here's the knockout punch. It comes with Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's a decade of not giving a shit about expensive repair bills. While everyone else is overpaying for used cars with zero protection, you can be in a new vehicle for less. It's the perfect city car, a breeze to park, and it gives you the financial peace of mind that nothing else at this price point can touch. It is one of the cheapest new cars in America and an incredibly smart buy. So there it is, 3 golden tickets in a market full of overpriced, overhyped garbage. The Celica for that raw, unfiltered driving joy, the Accord V6 Coupe for sporty, indestructible reliability, and the Hyundai Venue for brand new peace of mind without breaking the bank. These cars are proof that you don't have to follow the herd to drive something special. So which one are you taking? The forgotten legend, the bulletproof sleeper, or the brand new bargain? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'll catch you in the next one.